Hey everyone, today we are opening the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 GA403 with Ryzen AI 300. Check our full review on LaptopMedia.com for benchmarks, display tests, battery life, and more. Link below. Let's get inside. To reach the components, remove 11 screws and lift the bottom cover. The bottom right screw stays captive. 2 screws are hidden under these rubber feet. We will start at the lower right. We are using a Torx T6 screwdriver. As it loosens, this screw lifts the cover and opens a small gap. The first 3 screws we remove have a 4.5 mm thread length. Now we remove the first long screw. Its thread length is 8.5 mm. On some revisions, this center screw can be about half a millimeter shorter. These are the screws removed so far. 2 hidden screws are still left. The 2 hidden screws are listed with a 7 mm thread length. All screws are now loose. Keep the tool shallow so it does not slide inward and damage a component. The bottom cover is off and the internal layout is fully visible. The battery connector must be disconnected before service. This is the installed M.2 SSD. This is the triple band 2x2 Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 card. The discrete graphics chip is under this cooler. The processor is here, under the same dual fan heat pipe cooling system. Start with the battery connector. Remove the tape first. We push back the locking bracket. Now lift the connector up and away from the board. Be careful not to break the tiny soldered components nearby. Starting from this side is safer. You can check the result of our battery life test on LaptopMedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. Now remove the screw holding the SSD in place. The drive has a metal shield for electromagnetic and radio frequency interference. We remove the SSD before the battery because one battery screw is hidden underneath it in the area of the thermal pad. Here is the processor, and next to it is soldered LPDDR5X memory support dual channel operation. Now we start removing the battery screws. This is a 73 watt-hour 4-cell lithium-ion battery. It uses a 4S1P layout. Here is the battery pack outside the chassis. Here is the touchpad underside and motherboard. No memory slots are available. Now we place the battery back into position. Now reinstall the SSD. There is one M.2 PCI Express slot. Our unit has a 1 TB SK Hynix NVMe drive on PCI Express 4x4. Some configurations ship with 2 TB. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard. Lock the connector back in place. Secure the locking plate with tape so it cannot open by itself. That was our look inside the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 GA403. In the full LaptopMedia review, we also cover thermals, OLED display quality, and battery life with benchmark results. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more laptop disassembly and review videos.